wind, the sun, the water.
The elements of nature.
Elements. Wind, water, sun.
Born in this country.
Water. Sun.
You need to confront them.
Wind.
To understand their power. It's like they're asking you to respect them, to protect them, and work with them. Because if you stand as strong as the wind, the water, the sun,
The wind, the sun, the water. Discover their power.
if you let their energy become your energy, then there's no limit to the future you can build.
At Protergia, we create a friendly, independent and greener energy, showing the only way to the planet's future.